From the day you receive your first paycheck, the government starts taking out FICA. It's automatic. It's every paycheck. Unless you actively beat the system and work under the table, you're paid in to the system. Well, what is the system? The system is designed, supposedly, for you to have access to funds at retirement, either at 62, 65, 70, but they're trying to move that up to 75. The reality falls to this. We've already shown in my other videos, most people don't make it there. Only about 55 to 58% make it to 65. So, with that being said, the other benefits. What if, at 53 years old, you develop an aortic aneurysm, a debilitating medical issue that puts your life at risk every moment of every day? That's a reality. It can happen. It happened to me. So we have a system that tells us you can't work anymore. The danger to your health, you can't pick up anything, you can't do anything strenuous, you are on medications that keep you alive. You can't work. You don't have a way of getting money. So we have disability that we rely on, right? Disability. So we wait on disability, or we apply for disability. Well, if you look at the government websites, when you file for disability, they tell you that disability will take an average of 200 days to get approval. That system is designed to wait you out, to make you use every bit of savings that you have, to make you liquidate any assets that you have in order to survive that waiting period of over half a year. You can't work. What can you do? How do you live? Do you have children? Can children help you? Maybe not. You have a spouse that works? Maybe, maybe not. This isn't just about me. This is about the rest of the United States that I'm talking about. I want you to think about this. If you've liked this video, subscribe to my channel, because this is what I talk about. There are people in America who work their entire lives, and when they need their government, the same way we took care of our corporate bosses, only to be shoved out the door and pushed off a cliff. That's the reality. The government's the same way. The government is the one who designed this entire system. And it wasn't what our founding fathers wanted. This system has been developed over the years for the government to benefit off of our backs. The money that we pay into the system that sits in an account, collects interest, and they use it for whatever program they want to use it for. And it's not the program that it's intended for. To afford those of us who become disabled the ability to survive, not live extravagantly, to survive until we are of an age at 65 to get our regular Social Security, because that's what that does. Once you hit that age, it kicks you off of disability and kicks you on to regular Social Security. If you make it. About 50% of us won't. That's what they count on. They're counting on us not surviving. Subscribe to my channel, because this is what I talk about. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you have a great day.